Positive Academy. Today we are going to talk about how we can generate a side hustle or side income and create online business just by publishing the book. And so right now, as you can see, I am on the website. There is Amazon KDP website where you can publish your own book, right? And you can publish it easily, right? Whether you are knowing something, whether you have knowledge, whether you want to impact the world, whether you want to share your message to the world, this is the platform that you can use. And side by side you will also generate royalty and also earn your name, right? And people will know who you are, right? So there are different categories here available when you are creating content. So I'm talking about you may create a low content, you may create a no content book, and you may originally create a story book, right? So these are all different options that is available. So yesterday I myself published one kind of book, that is five rules rich people live by. It is published by me. It is available on Amazon. As you can see, it is already published. The price of this book is 3.99 and it is Kindle. So now there is certain requirements when it comes to the format, right, of books that you are publishing. You can also see I also published my previous book. There is this, right, same, and these are all my price as you can already see. And there is the different formats. There is a Kindle, paperback, and hardcover. So when it comes to Kindle, the minimum requirement is nothing. You can do 2 pages, 10 pages as per Kindle. And when it comes to paperback, the minimum requirement is 24 page. You need to have 24 pages at least to publish a paperback. And when it comes to hardcover, you need to require 79 pages, right, to publish a hardcover, and the rates vary, right? And there are different options here available. You can also promote, advertise. There are other options like you can edit your ebook after details after publishing. You can edit its content, pricing, a lot of things, right? You can also unlink the books and unpublish the ebook, right? As senior, right? And different rates are there, and you can just go to the Amazon platform. For example, if I want to go for this key Kindle ebook, right, particularly for maybe India, then I will click that, right, and I will be directed to Amazon.in where my book will be there, ratings will be there, and all the stuff that Amazon is required for publication, and you can already see the date that is published and everything here. So this is the basic thing when it comes to Amazon KDP, and you can easily generate your business side hustle or any kind of stuff that you want, right? And so moreover, you there is a tool that can help you, right, if you want to write a book, and I am talking about that. And the tool is called Bookboard, right? It's called site. It will help you to find, generate, to build your book, right? It's called Bookboard, right? And yeah, if you go for Bookboard, there are different features here available. So as you can see here, you can you can generate storybooks in seconds. Just you have to place the command. You just have to have the format and all the kinds of stuff, right? So this is the site that I'm talking about, right? And yeah, this video is also sponsored by Bookboard only, right? And if you want to avail discount, there is 20% discount available for Bookboard, right? Yeah, so it is affiliate link. I will be mentioning in the description this link, and the code will be learner. Right, when you use this code, right, you will be getting 20% discount. All the packages that is available on Bookboard. Whether you want to generate any kind of content, whether it is a no content, low content, storybook, long book, or kind of fiction, non-fiction, any damn book, right? You can easily generate to Bookboard. So now coming back to the video, I'll be posting all these details in my description. You can check that out, right? So coming back, we are here, right? We are here on Amazon KDP, and these are some of the stuff that you can see. Now, when you want to publish the book, let me just open this. So, for example, if I want to open this, edit this book, so I'll be here. And while publishing the book, these are different options that you will be able to see. So first is the language option. Then you have to select English, right? You have to write the book title. I already created the book by this name, so this will be there. You can also use subtitle if you want. Go down, you will be having the name of your author. That is this. Then you go down, you have to have descriptions, right? Now description is the major important thing when it comes to book, because it helps you to ranking also, and also it says the audience what the book is about. So you have to be careful when it comes to description. It's just a trial base. That's why I'm using this kind of format. But you have to write as much detail as it is. what you have written and what value you have provided in that book. So going that back, it asks for your publishing right. You can know your publishing right and primary audience is it sexual explicit content, all those kind of things. Then we do go down, then will be categories, right? You have to select categories. So I have just selected this self-help journal and self-help affirmations. Next comes the keywords. When you have to be careful with the keywords also because it helps in ranking on Amazon. So first you have to copy this title as usual. I am doing that. So copy this title, go to Google. These are all steps you can follow anywhere, right? You can publish your book easily. So if I go there, if I enter, right, and if I go down, there will be keywords here, as you can already see. Now you have to copy these all keywords, right, and place that into this bar where it says keywords, right? And after that, you have to hit save and continue. So this is the basic thing that we are doing, right? On the first page. Next comes your manuscript, right? The manuscript must be written in a word format. Let me just open that also so that you will be able to see what I'm talking about. So this is the manuscript. I'll just open. Yeah, so this is the manuscript, right? And so as you can see, it is a Word document, right? It contains 11 pages, right? And this is the format you have to follow. This is the title. Here you have to write your own name, right? You can write also involve copyright, author bio, afterword, and all that kind of thing. And these are all tools, right? I'm just kind of uh, playing, right? It's not the genuine because I don't like to publish low content book or no content book. More I believe in giving value to people, but it's uh, just kind of letting you know. That's why I'm just making this minimum, right? As you can see. So this is the format, and you can easily follow. And remember to fit the size of this Word document. When you hit layout and hit size and just more paper sizes, then it will be 6 by 9. It is mandatory, right? And you have to set as default, right? And so 6 by 9 book is mandatory, right? So this is how things work, right? And now you're also having the manuscript, right? So let's get back to Amazon KDP. Now you submitted the this. Now it is also saying missing table of contents because I have not published the table of contents, but you can also include that, and it requires this references tab on Word and all that. And then you have to also apply DRM rights, right? To this file, to this book, and then you have to use the launch cover creator option, and you can create your cover by own, right? You can also use their images and all the other stuff. Then it asks, is it AI generated content? You have to declare that it's not. And then launch previewer, then this is all optional, no need to worry. Yeah, and accessibility features and everything is available. Then you have to hit save and continue. After hitting save and continue, you will be directed to the price page here. So this is price page. As you can see, these are all different options available. You don't need to worry about anything. You can also use promotion page. These are all kind of what you can say marketing strategies. You can read if you want. Go down that that is easy to worldwide publishing and all that. Then comes the royalty. What kind of royalty you need to select? 35% or 70%. So depending on it, your price will be set. For example, if 35% is there, then the price will be reduced, and if 70%, then this will be the royalty. So for 35% it will be 1.40. Anyone who purchased the Kindle, and if it is 70% it is 2.78. And you can also alter all these prices as per the marketplace. For example, in India, if you consider say $4, it will be around 400 rupees, which is not acceptable. So I have reduced the price to 150, and accordingly your royalty will be reduced, right? So you have to set this price according to the marketplace also if you want, right? And so finally, the final step is you publish your Kindle ebook. So after publishing the Kindle ebook, I already shown like there are different versions here available, and the marketplace is where it is available. It will be definitely shown. It will be live, maybe in 48 or 72 hours. You have to keep watch on this, right? And yeah, once it is live, then it will be available to the world, and audience can definitely go for it if the title and everything, value provided and everything is good. Rating will be good. Your name will be known. You can also use your pen names if you want to know. Don't know. Don't use the real your name. You can use your pen names also. But this is the way you have to publish the book. This is the way you can give any idea. You can just make any idea into business, yeah, right? Or you can just create your own stuff, right? Because we at the end, right, we have to create something. We have to use our energy, right, to create something, right? Everything is time and energy. We have to be productive what we are doing. So this is the way you have to establish yourself, and you have to be you have to you have to be using your talent also. Never copy other people's work, right? It is so much important, right? Just think what you can do. Use your brain. Do not use much AI, right? Because human brains have created AI, right? But we are so much dependent on AI that we forget to use our human brain. But we have to use our human brain. Think, right? Think critically, analytically, right? And yeah, be productive and just yeah create this kind of thing, right? I would also like to again think give thought about book board, right? Because book board is a site where you can definitely create all this kind of content, right? And it will definitely help you to even cover design your keyword research and a lot of things, right? The affiliate link will be on description and the code will be learner, and the audience will have 20% discount on all the packages when they use this coupon. Right, so thanks for watching. This is the way you can just generate your side income, side hustle. If you want your business, right, you can definitely go for it. If you're a book lover, a bibliophile, then these are also you can just generate, right, and you can provide value, and you can make you may make an impact on this world, right? So I hope this video really helps. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. We talk about motivation, learning, earning, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.